How about that? Still got it.
Wow, you really bit that apple, Grandpa.
Welcome to the Porcelain Dental Tooth Factory. Today, the entire journey will be shown, from raw porcelain to a complete dental crown.
Less generalistics. Let's begin from the very origin of dental porcelain.
Everyone accounted for. Final check on the charges. Detonating in 3, 2, 1.
The quarried stone is introduced into a large washing and crushing vat to begin the process of purification and size reduction. The raw material is wet ground in a massive industrial mixer to achieve the fine, uniform consistency required for dental-grade porcelain.
These blocks will be shaped into dental tooth forms.
An older, traditional kiln is shown, suggesting that the facility uses both modern and classic firing methods for various porcelain products.
Firing makes the porcelain extremely strong.
Drying prepares each form for high-temperature firing.
A 3D laser scanner captures the precise geometry of a pink dental model, creating a digital blueprint for further automated manufacturing steps. Here, specialized crystals are precisely applied to strengthen the porcelain, ensuring unparalleled durability for every dental form. Stream close-up on the smooth, white surface of the fabricated porcelain teeth. Air jets clean the surface, emphasizing the shine and detail. Using high-speed tools, the pink gum line is shaped with expert precision, ensuring a perfect fit.
The automated spraying process applies the final transparent sealant, ensuring durability and a perfect finish.
The newly completed dentures are transported on the final assembly line, moving toward the packaging station.
The final cleaning phase uses high-pressure water jets to remove any lingering residue from the newly completed denture.
Multiple inspection stages ensure absolute precision.
An automated system seals the shipping box with custom-printed tape, securing the product for its journey to the dental clinic.
Finished packages move to temperature-controlled storage.
Put this one here.
Okay, I'll take the next two smaller ones.
This is the complete transformation of porcelain into a perfect dental crown.
Good morning, Mr. Clark. Right this way, please.
Thank you very much.
Look how crisp it is. Here, this one is for you. Isn't this the best apple?